Hello everyone, my name is Huang and today I'm gonna talk about the data points commenting for Unbooked data with containing the SAC version 2023-09 and the QRC3 update. So before, the data point commenting is only support for the data cells that has data, but now the data points commenting is now support for the Unbooked data cells. I will illustrate it. So before we can just add the comment to this cell only, this cell has data, but now we can add the data point comment to the Unbooked cell, for example, test, and if we have the comment here for the cell. However, there's some limitation that the commenting will be rejected for Unbooked data cell due to DAC, or the commenting will be rejected for Unbooked data cell due to the context conflicting, such as restricted measure in front or the different currency. So for example, this is a different currency and you cannot add the data point comment. So today, we saw how to add data by commenting for Unbooked data. Thank you for watching.